The reality is that the Hawaiians lost the majority in Hana probably in the mid-80s, and it's affected all of our social institutions. So, you know, the canoe clubs used to be run a certain way and now they run a different way. School organizations, even down to family structure, it's shifted. So yes, there's a wonderful ideal that Hana is very Hawaiian, but it's not as Hawaiian as it was when I was growing up. We have very few what we call manaleo or native speakers, very few people that practice the lauhala weaving, the arts, etc. So, you know, I'd like to see it revitalized, and I'm hopeful to see the young people picking up, going off to school, coming back with language, coming back with some of the cultural traditions and reestablishing them here. The Taro Festival is one way to bring us together. That's why we founded it 17 years ago. And we want to make sure that we have a remembrance of how special this place is. One of the important things in Hana is that we, like myself, you know, everyone knows that my family has been on this land for hundreds of years. All of my family is buried right across the street in our family cemetery. I'm going to go there. My grandparents are there. Everybody's there. Hana is very unique in that the families are still associated with areas. So if you mention certain family names, you know where they're from. And that is the hallmark for us. That keeps us very strong cultural attachment to the land.